The manual Tiltmaster can lift, tilt, and transport crates, boxes, and pallets with an open bottom. It is designed to give the user an ergonomically correct position to reach loads and material without the need for bending down or excessively reaching over. The user can tilt the forks to a 90-degree position by first moving the lever and then using the ergonomic handle to raise or tilt the unit. Pull the lever to select between lowering or tilting the unit. The capacity for the manual Tiltmaster is 2,200 pounds, and the units roll smoothly on 6x2 polyurethane swivel casters with brake and foot protectors. The ergonomic handle allows user to lower and raise the unit easily. The width between forks is 9.5 inches, and the overall fork width is 22 inches. The individual fork width is 6.25 inches. The manual Tiltmaster can only lift skids and open bottom pallets.